What should be the deliverables of an edit project? First and foremost, a screening copy, a high bitrate MP4 file with H.264 or H.265 codec with the highest possible resolution and audio quality. One with subtitles burned on the file and another one with subtitles as an external SRT file. This can be used for viewing on television or screening on projector or even uploading to online platforms like YouTube or social media. The second most important one is a master copy, a DPX image sequence or a QuickTime file with ProRes 422HQ or ProRes 444XQ video codec with the highest possible resolution and uncompressed audio. The subtitles should be an external SRT file. This will be a huge file but with very high quality. This can be used for minor edits and minor color grading for different platforms later. If you have subtitles in a different language, it can be burned on this video to create screeners in different languages. In case you have text displayed in your video, it will be a good idea to take an export without this text. So later, in case you want to change the language, you can add text in the new language and make screeners. The third most important file is an uncompressed audio in WAV format. It should include everything in the sound except dialogues and narration, without ducking. Ducking is a common practice where the level of sound is decreased when you have a narration or dialogue going on to increase the clarity of the dialogues. By adding a narration and dialogues in a different language with the sound and the master copy, you can create screeners in different languages. Another very important deliverable is a sync license and contract for third-party assets used in the project. This includes music, stock footage, artist licenses, or anything which requires a license. Even when you submit your project to an OTT platform, you may have to submit these licenses together with your project. Even with all these files in your hand, it's always better to keep a backup of your actual project file, together with all the assets used in the project. It's very easy to create a backup of your project using the Project Manager window in Adobe Premiere Pro or Media Management window in DaVinci Resolve. This can be used to re-edit your film. It's also a good idea to take an EDL of your project. EDL or Edit Decision List contains a clip name, in and out points, and its location on the timeline in plain, simple language. We live in a very dynamic world where technology is moving forward every day, and we never know how long we will have access to these editing softwares. With an EDL, you can migrate your project into any new editing software and re-edit your project.